The root of afflictions, ignorance. Ignorance, that is, having the brightness of the wisdom and evil view, is also the root of afflictions. Usually speaking, people imagine themselves to be perfect and think that ignorance, evil view and foolishness have nothing to do with themselves. This is actually ignorance. We have to understand that we are just blind all day long and we are the ones who will cry when we can't get it right. This is contrary to Buddhism. Buddhism is all about understanding, wisdom. Not to follow the ignorance, foolishness, evil views to go. The wisdom of Buddhism is actually clarity. In the 100 Dharmas of Enlightenment door it says, what each of the greed, hatred, ignorance, arrogance and doubt, the 20 kinds of branch and leaf afflictions that arise from the greed, hatred, ignorance, arrogance and doubt of sentient beings is. For example, the 5 kinds of afflictions are the 5 dharmas, and the 20 kinds of branch and leaf afflictions are the 20 dharmas. The 100 dharmas of enlightenment door is to talk about clarity, not ignorance. This ignorance is to say that we do not understand what this thing brings us as good or bad, we only understand the feelings of the moment. However, only when we eat. This present feeling will be good taste, once eaten, it is gone. If we say that the good taste is inside our stomachs, then we should cut open our stomachs and pull them out to see where the good taste is. But in the mouth there is still a good taste, so that in this regard the Buddha does not say it is ignorance, but there is clarity. Buddha says it is wonderful touch. When wonderful touch comes, it is beautiful. But ultimately, this leads to a series of questions we do not know. Why does the Buddha put this down to ignorance again? The reason is that we don't know that it is just a bait on the fish hook. After swallowing the hook, our tongues, mouths will be hooked into a mess. Some people may think that craving for the tasty food does not bring us the feeling of pain, but comfort. Yes, it is because we like the goodness of that one click. We always want that one click and cannot stop. Once we stop, the good feeling will be gone. Therefore, we spend our lives and lives running around for the sake of that good feeling, so we do not savor the transgressions that arise from it. Because of the greed and covetousness generated by foolishness, the latter hatred, ignorance, arrogance, doubt, and even the 20 kinds of branch and leaf afflictions come along with it. And suffering is boundless. In summary, if you really want to be free from these sufferings, you must subdue your afflictions. And the first step to subdue your afflictions is to eradicate the root of your afflictions, foolishness or ignorance.